Pretty excited. Check out. Yep. This came in from BAVSOUND. Just do that. All right, guys, let's see what BAVSOUND sent over. Is door decal. Just got this decal. Looks dope. You probably can't even see it. Let me see if I do. No, that's not work. Yeah, it's a decal. It looks white because of it's blown out, but okay. Let's see what this says. BAVSOUND. How to put a decal on. Hey, you know what? Thanks, guys. Decals for days. Look at that. BAVSOUND, BAVSOUND, BAVSOUND. We got a couple of stuff here that I'm really excited about. Each of these things in here is gonna be its own video. So excited, so excited. So here we got the, I think these are the tweeters. Yes, tweeter pairs by BAVSOUND. We got tweeters. Let me show you how they look like. Check out how cool these tweeters look. It's so little, and yet, this, and you could feel the quality of this tweeter. I don't know. This is just, it's gonna be dope in comparison to the Harman Kardon. So we'll see, guys. We will see. What else do we got here? These are the mid-range drivers. So let's open this up, see what that looks like. Yeah, see that? Again, quality, guys. It's just, it doesn't feel too heavy, obviously, but there is a robustness to it that just feels, nice. You know what I'm saying? This is a toolkit, I believe. And bunch of, you know what? Let me just show you. So here you got mid-range. This two right here are the subwoofers, and here are just some pads for the, yeah. So guys, I'm really excited. The hair is not working out today, guys, sorry. I'm really excited for this, guys. There's a lot of stuff here to install and to work on my car. I got 2 subwoofers, a grip of mid-range drivers, you know, tweeters, toolkit, a lot of decals. So I'm excited for this project. And there's gonna be a series of videos from the subwoofer install, tweeter install, mid-range install, how to remove the door panels on the 440i. So guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification because a lot of content is coming to the channel. And if you want to upgrade your sound kit, hit up BAVSOUND, let them know I sent you, and I'm sure they can help you out with something, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week, guys. Make sure you subscribe.